The Sycon sponges are the ancient architects of the reef. They have been around for millions of years, shaping the underwater landscape. Their unique structure and feeding strategy make them essential to the ocean's health. These simple animals, often mistaken for plants, have been around for over 500 million years. They witnessed the Earth's dramatic transformations. Sycon sponges are true survivors, found in oceans worldwide, from shallow waters to deep depths. Their unassuming appearance hides a remarkable ability to adapt and persist. Their story is one of resilience, adaptation, and quiet importance. Let's dive deeper into the world of Sycon sponges. The Sycon sponges are the ancient architects of the reef. They have been around for millions of years, shaping the underwater landscape. Their unique structure and feeding strategy make them essential to the ocean's health. These simple animals, often mistaken for plants, have been around for over 500 million years. They witnessed the Earth's dramatic transformations. Sycon sponges are true survivors, found in oceans worldwide, from shallow waters to deep depths. Their unassuming appearance hides a remarkable ability to adapt and persist. Their story is one of resilience, adaptation, and quiet importance. Let's dive deeper into the world of Sycon sponges. At first glance, Sycon sponges might appear motionless and unremarkable. However, these tiny ocean dwellers are masters of filtration. Their bodies are dotted with numerous small openings known as ostia. These act like miniature mouths, drawing water into the sponge. The water is channeled into a central cavity called the spongocoel, where the real magic happens. Within the spongocoel, specialized cells known as choanocytes are hard at work. Each choanocyte has a whip-like structure called a flagellum. This flagellum beats rhythmically, generating a current that pulls water through the sponge. Surrounding the flagellum is a collar of microvilli, tiny hair-like structures that trap food particles from the water. This intricate feeding system allows Sycon sponges to capture and consume bacteria, plankton, and other organic matter that is often too small for other marine creatures to eat. As water flows through the sponge, the choanocytes capture and digest these tiny food particles, providing essential nutrients and energy for the sponge's survival. Once the water has been filtered, it is expelled back into the ocean through a larger opening called the osculum, completing the cycle. Often overlooked, Sycon sponges play a pivotal role in maintaining the health of ocean ecosystems. As they filter water for food, they simultaneously remove excess nutrients, pollutants, and sediment. This natural filtration process enhances water clarity and quality, which is crucial for a wide range of marine life. Think of Sycon sponges as the ocean's tiny kidneys, tirelessly working to remove impurities and maintain a healthy balance. Their filtering activities are especially vital in coral reef ecosystems, where excess nutrients can trigger harmful algal blooms that smother and kill corals. By removing these excess nutrients, Sycon sponges create a more hospitable environment for corals and other reef inhabitants. Their presence bolsters the overall health, resilience, and biodiversity of these essential marine ecosystems. In essence, Sycon sponges are the unsung heroes of the reef, quietly working to maintain the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. Sycon sponges exhibit two fascinating methods of reproduction: cloning and sexual reproduction. These sponges can reproduce asexually through a process known as budding. Alternatively, they can reproduce sexually by releasing sperm and eggs into the water. This dual reproductive strategy significantly boosts their survival odds, enabling them to adapt to various environmental changes. Budding involves the growth of a new sponge from an outgrowth or bud on the parent sponge. Eventually, the bud detaches and matures into an independent sponge, genetically identical to its parent. This method allows Sycon sponges to quickly colonize new areas, establishing themselves in suitable habitats. In sexual reproduction, Sycon sponges release sperm and eggs into the surrounding water. Interestingly, Sycon sponges are hermaphrodites, meaning each individual can produce both male and female gametes. Despite this, they usually avoid self-fertilization. Instead, sperm from one sponge fertilizes the eggs of another, promoting genetic diversity within the population. Observe the Sycon sponge, a marvel of the ocean's ecosystem. When a Sycon sponge loses a part of its body, it has the extraordinary ability to regenerate. This remarkable trait allows it to thrive even in the most challenging environments of the ocean. When broken by strong ocean currents, each fragment of the Sycon sponge can grow into a new, independent sponge. This regenerative process is driven by specialized cells known as archaeocytes, which play a crucial role in the sponge's recovery and growth. The ability to regenerate not only showcases the resilience of the Sycon sponge, but also highlights its ancient evolutionary lineage, making it a true survivor of the ocean. As we look to the future, the Sycon sponge holds much promise for scientific discovery and environmental conservation. Researchers believe that understanding the Sycon's unique regenerative abilities could unlock new advancements in medicine, particularly in wound healing and tissue regeneration. Furthermore, the Sycon's role in maintaining ocean health cannot be overstated. These sponges filter vast quantities of water, removing harmful bacteria and maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. By protecting and studying Sycon sponges, we safeguard the health of our oceans and ensure the survival of countless marine species. But the future of Sycon sponges is not without challenges. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction threaten their populations. It is crucial that we take action to mitigate these threats and preserve the delicate balance of our oceans. In the face of adversity, the Sycon sponge's resilience serves as a powerful reminder of nature's ingenuity and the importance of conservation. By working together, we can ensure that these ancient architects of the reef continue to thrive for generations to come. Join us in celebrating the remarkable Sycon sponge and the vital role it plays in our world. Together, we can make a significant difference.